Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have ICP Internet Computer Daily Update. We are going to see some important things. Before we begin, only few spots left for the monthly subscription. A link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You get very easy profits with the automated signal selling and buying opportunity system. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. Also, you will get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Okay, so you can cancel anytime you like. You will find the link in the description down below. As we told before, you can also find the link for the Telegram group chat, and hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to internet computers. So in the previous video, guys, I've told you that we are probably going around 76 Tether USD and then we will correct. And here we are. We did exactly the same thing. You can watch it right now. And it is so important that we are in the prediction and we are right in our predictions. And of course, thank you for the support. Right now, what I did is I have drawn a new Fibonacci retracement from this bottom right here on 9th August, ending up to this top on 11th. The reason is I want to find major support levels on the short term, and you can see that we just hold exactly the 0.618 Fib retracement, right? The 0.618, the 62 Tether USD. And now we found a little bit resistance on the 67, 68 around there, and we can't close above. So personally, we are holding good. I think we are holding good for now because we found support at the 0.618. In case we just go a little bit further upwards, we have the 80 Tether USD around there to 82. I believe, yes, we can go there in case we surpass a certain level, which I will tell you right now. If you want to minimize the risk, then we will draw another one Fibonacci retracement starting from this top right now, ending up to this bottom, and of course pay attention to the 0.786 and the 0.618. We will discuss it furthermore in the price analysis. Let's go now to the MACD. On the MACD, we had a bearish cross, totally bearish cross, guys. We were going all the way downwards, but the price, okay, if you zoom out, it remained so stable. Okay, it remained good, so nothing to worry for now. All right, so anyway, you can see that the volume increased rapidly here and we went almost all the way up 76, 77 around there, and then we are going a little bit down, but the volume is pretty nice. This is the moving average. This orange line right here is the moving average. Let's go right now to the RSI, Commodity Channel Index, and Stochastic RSI. Three risk metrics that we need to pay attention. Every risk metric, guys, has its own value. Okay, so you can see that according to the Stochastic RSI, we had an oversold situation. So in an impulsive wave, we always check the Stochastic RSI, and you can see that going here, we had the Commodity Channel Index into an oversold, the Stochastic RSI into an oversold, but not the RSI, right? But not the RSI. That means we had a bottom right here and we went upwards. You can see the ICP went all the way upwards from here. Let's see, where are we going? The 20-day EMA still above the 50-day EMA. That's good. That's pretty good. Okay, so you can see that now, according to the risk metrics, we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation. That means, yes, we can even go down furthermore, or we can go upwards. It seems like we are going a little bit upwards before we go down, and of course that's what we want to see. We want to see the RSI not going all the way down below 30. If we do that, if we see that, then that means we might lose some important support levels, right? So therefore we don't want to see the RSI going all the way down. Let's go to the daily frame a little bit. Not so much historical data on the Binance for ICP, but anyway, guys, we can do this on the daily frame. You can see that many risk metrics are in an overbought situation. You can see that the RSI only is not in an overbought situation, but what we want to see right now is a pattern like this on the daily frame. If we follow a pattern like this, then we confirm the impulsive wave on the daily frame as well. Same here for the stochastic RSI. It is not in an overbought for now, but you can see it is in a high level of the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index on the daily frame as well, above the 100. Okay, so yes, we have some risk going on, but I don't see how we cannot go even higher, guys. I do not see that. Let's go a little bit close the EMAs and to just go to the SSL hybrid, an indicator that tells us when to buy and when to sell. We had a buying opportunity right here on 5th August. We went upwards. We don't have a selling opportunity there. We will see a red arrow right here, okay, but we don't have a selling opportunity there. That means we don't want to sell our position yet. Okay, we are perfectly fine for now according to the SSL hybrid, okay, because you have to combine other indicators as well. You cannot check only one indicator and decide if you are going to buy or not. Let's see the Bollinger Bands. We were above the top line of the Bollinger Bands. This is what happens, guys, almost normal for an massive wave. And right now we want to see whether we are going downwards or upwards. We will be seeing that we were riding this top line of the Bollinger Bands in normal market, as you can see, guys. Here as well, before the start of the impulsive wave, you can see that we found some resistance line in the top line and then we corrected. Okay, in a normal market, this is what happens. And on a bearish market, we just ride the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands all the way. Okay, so let's go right now. Before we go, actually, let's go to the MACD, the last indicator to see on the daily. It looks good, but we don't have so much historical data to see the daily frame. Unfortunately, this is not accurate. Okay, the MACD on the daily frame is not accurate. So let's go to ICP Bitcoin chart, and you can see that on ICP Bitcoin, I've told you that we are probably going to the minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, guys, and here we are. We found resistance around this area right here. We totally got it here, guys, and of course you can see that we now stopped at the support level. But if I wanted to find more short-term support levels, I would redraw my Fibonacci retracement. I would go from here to the top right there, and of course you can see we closed a little bit beyond the 0.618 here, and now we found resistance at the 0.20 1471. All right, and of course we have one more resistance level at the 0.2015. Normally when you just draw your Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, you find support levels, not resistance levels. Sometimes they work as a resistance level, but normally they work as support levels. Okay, except the minus 0.236, the minus numbers, except the minus numbers that they work as resistance levels, next price targets. Let's go to ICP Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. I won't stand here so much. You can see it looks identical to the USDT. We have the stochastic RSI near in an overbought, commodity channel index in an overbought, RSI near the top, not in the top though. The RSI here hasn't gone out above the 70, so we can outperform Bitcoin much more. Okay, so we can go even higher. Let's go now to the price analysis, and here I will stay more. I will draw two tools, guys. The first one will be the Fibonacci retracement I had from before. You can see that to find some major support levels, and here we are. This is the key level, and you can see how we hold it, the 0.618. We even closed above, guys, in this situation right here. For a red candle, as you all know, this is the closing price. This is the closing price, the bottom of the body. Okay, and the closing price for the green candle is the top of the body. Okay, so we closed above, a little bit above on this candlestick right here on the 4-hour frame, and we hold the 0.61862 Tether USD. Amazing stuff, guys. For the ICP, I will draw one more. I will draw the SSL channel, guys, the Fib channel, sorry, and I will go, we need two bottoms and one top, so I will go with this bottom right here. I will just choose another bottom, and of course this top right here we formed, actually this top right here. Okay, so here we are. We found some huge support resistance levels when we go in an impulsive wave, because in an uptrend, this is how you want to the Fibonacci channel to look like. So these are some angles, support, resistance levels, with the main being the 0.618. Depending on where we are landing, different prices are we are having different prices, okay? Because that's the reason you need to draw a Fibonacci retracement. They can tell you support and resistance levels that have angles, but the Fibonacci retracement can tell you the price we are about to get in any time, okay? These the Fibonacci here channel has, guys, I think it has the time inside, okay? It has the time value, but the Fibonacci retracement has not. So anyway, we will just be holding, I think, these lines right here for the ICP in Tether USD. We will be holding these lines and we will be going even higher, as you can see. So you can see that the next target for the ICP is the 80 to 82. I believe, yes, we can go there, 80 to 82 Tether USD. But first, the reason I wanted to save this for the price analysis is the next one right here, because we need to discuss it, okay? If I draw the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, as you know, I find resistance levels. And you can see we just hit the 0.618, we closed a little bit below, then we went all the way back down, and now we just hit the 0.5, the 0.5, which is the 68.48. So you can see that we need to surpass, in order to minimize the risk, guys, we need to surpass the 70 and the 73. Not only to surpass it, but we need to make it as a support level. If we do that, then yes, we can go and make this a support level. Doing that will mean that we can go even higher. And you can see that the 1.236, 1.382 is around there. The 1.382 is around the minus 0.236 of the previous Fibonacci. And of course, we have one more, the 80. The 80 Tether USD, that's why I told you 80 to 82, and of course the 85. Next price targets, guys, always remember the 80, 82, 85. Okay, so we have these as the next price targets only if we make the 73 as a support level. And why we need to make the 73 as support level? Because we need to minimize the risk. If we minimize the risk, if you want to minimize actually the risk, then you have to get it above the 73, okay? And not, in my opinion, you should not put a buying order at the 73, 74, because we might be getting a 4-hour frame candle that we might have a little bit go upwards and then have a huge sell pressure and not be able to close above the 73, right? So you don't want to have a buying order above the 73, okay? You need to check it by yourself. We need to make the 73 as support level. There, in this level, you minimize the risk. And then you have a swing high of 10%, 13% to 14, and 16 to 17. Not bad, guys, not bad. Do not be greedy, because if you are greedy, then you will lose much more, okay? So, in my opinion, we should be able to surpass 70 and 73. Those are key price targets, are the next resistance levels we need to surpass. And as you can see, ICP was outperforming Bitcoin. That's why we could go upwards. Bitcoin now is forming another bullish flag right here. And let's draw for Bitcoin. Let's do the same. Let's draw a little bit the Fibonacci retracement, starting from this top, ending up to this bottom right here. And you can see that the Bitcoin is indeed in the 0.786. That means, guys, if we close above and make the 0.786 as support level, then yes, we are probably going to the next target, which is the 70,700 around there, which is a very critical resistance level. If we don't close above, though, then we might not be able to get to the next price target. It happens the same. And look at this, how close we are to the 0.786. That's why it is a so significant number, guys. After every retracement, we have to surpass the 0.786, especially in an impulsive wave, okay? So we need to make it above. Next targets are the ones following. It looks good, guys. Put a smile on your face. stay positive even if you have bought at the top. Do not sell when you are in a loss. Alright, so do not forget to join the monthly subscription, few spots left to get easy profits and of course learn technical analysis. That is very, very good. And you can join the Telegram group chat. Both of these links are in the description down below, and hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. It helps so much with the daily updates. Thank you. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.